YouTube offers various ways to monetize your content, including 1. YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to earn money from ads that run on their videos. To be eligible, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 2. Ads. You can also earn money from ads that run on your videos without being in the partner program. However, the payout is lower than the partner program. 3. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Super Chat and Super Stickers allow viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted and animated in the live chat during your live streams. You can set your own prices for Super Chats and Super Stickers. 4. YouTube Shopping. YouTube Shopping allows you to sell products directly to your viewers from your videos. You can add product cards to your videos and viewers can click on them to purchase the products. 5. Channel Memberships. Channel memberships allow your viewers to pay a monthly fee to get access to exclusive content and perks, such as members-only live streams, videos, and community posts. 6. YouTube BrandConnect. YouTube BrandConnect is a platform that connects creators with brands for sponsored content opportunities. 7. Super Thanks. Super Thanks allows viewers to pay a one-time fee to show their appreciation for your content. You can set your own prices for Super Thanks.